Okay, here we are. You're in Unit 1, Introduction. We're going to open that up. Okay, and this video will be this goal setting page right here. This will be the first thing that you'll see. And then here's the unit. Okay, so you need to click on this unit because you're going to need this. And it says load. Okay, so we're going to load this. And if you don't have a Kami account, you may need to make one, but it should take you to my page. If it does not, we can text or you can Zoom with me and we'll try and figure out what's going on. Okay, so once we've opened this up, this tells you these are all the assignments in this Unit 1. Okay, and you can see there's quite a few pages. It looks like a lot. It's really not. Okay, let's go back up to the top here. Okay, so what are we going to need to complete this? Well, here's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to bring this page out here, okay, because this is the page I'm working on, right? And this is the first thing, understanding chemical hazard labels. All right, so I'm going to go back here. Okay, so I'm going to need items inside Canvas to complete this unit. Okay, so our objective to interpret chemical hazard labels, and it says what are we going to need? We're going to use the how to read chemical labels in Canvas. Okay, so how to read a chemical label. See how these go together? These are all the items that you will need to complete this unit. Okay, so how to read a chemical label. I'm going to click on there. And then there it is, okay? And I want to make this bigger, and you can do this, and you can make it bigger, or what I like to do is I pop it out of Canvas. I like to pop everything out because it's bigger and it's easier to read. See how much easier that is? Okay, so the first question is NFPA stands for, and so I need to come over here. Hazardous materials should be properly labeled. And then you'll see that U.S. National Fire Protection Association. You'll see that right there, NFPA. So that's what we're going to type there. Okay, so how do I use this? Well, I can create a text box, and I can write in any color I want. Don't use red, please, because I would like to mark it up with red, but let's just say it's black, okay? And I double-click. There's my text box, and I can start typing, and I can type whatever in there, okay? But we're going to type in. So get rid of that, and it says it is the National Fire Protection. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, if you've got a stylus, you can also draw on here, and I don't have a stylus, so it doesn't work as well, but I can use different colors for that as well, and you can see we can write on here. Okay, I make a mistake. What I do, I go to eraser, I click eraser, and I can get rid of all of them, or I can just click on the last thing I did, or maybe not. Let's see. I can erase that. Why isn't it erasing? I'm not sure, but it should be able to erase everything, or you can, I think you can put, there it goes. You can erase anything you want on here. Okay, so you can draw, you can type. There are lots of things you can do over here. You can put a comment over here. We open that up. You can comment in there. You can add all sorts of things in Kami. Okay, so if I open that up, like I could put a comment. I want to put a comment here, and I could create a text box. So I could create a text box. Oh, I didn't need to choose a color. Why is it commenting? Okay, well, for some reason that is not working. Click, oh, anywhere on the page. Okay, so I want to put a comment on the page right there. There it is. And then I can type that in. Or I can ask a question. Okay, they need to use your microphone for that. Okay, so Kami is awesome. All right, but we're going to go back here. We're going to follow along. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to click the next item I'm going to need, because as I'm going down, it says, now it says I'm going to need the SDS for my nitric acid. There's my SDS. Okay? I'm going to answer questions here. Again, the easiest thing is to create a text box or type in it. Alright, pictures. You need to draw this picture. Here's why I'm going to use that drawing tool, okay? I'm going to draw, and of course, it's not going to be perfect, and it's fine if I needed to draw that one. Here's my drawing. Okay, fire. Okay, it's not good, but you get what I mean. Alright, also, I don't know what these means, but what does it say right here? Use the GHS pictogram picture. So back here, there's some pictogram pictures that we can use. Here they are. See, everything you need is inside Canvas. Okay, as we're going through this, and after we finish all of this, there's lab station equipment. Well, of course, this is here in our lab, so I cannot show you that. But what you are going to do instead is you are going to go through this PowerPoint and you're going to locate all these things, okay? Because you're going to be responsible for these. You're going to have to take a quiz over these, okay? So these are all the items you're responsible for. There's a picture here. Hopefully when we get back to class, we'll be using all those, okay? And then the lab equipment lab. Back here, the lab equipment lab is, where is the lab equipment lab? I'll load it for you, okay? And then I'll make a video on how you're going to do the lab equipment lab. Alright, Introduction to Chemistry. Introduction to Chemistry notes. There they are. Follow along with those. Keep going. What do we have next after those? We have a Mythbusters video. We're going to use this Mythbusters video and answer the questions. It's really short. Okay, and then usually I give you a choice of the problem-solving lab or the